Hello everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about PowerPoint presentation and how you're going to be starting it up and then knowing what PowerPoint presentation is all about. So quick one, I'm going to go into my start menu, click my all programs, look for Microsoft Office, select, then click on PowerPoint. Okay, now my PowerPoint is open and ready to be used. Now I'm going to be using a blank presentation so that I'm going to be creating my template by myself. Okay, oops, this is not supposed to be showing. I'm going to be using, now I want to quickly introduce to you what PowerPoint is all about and how you can use it. Now I'm going to be looking at the home menu. Home menu here, you have the paste command, you have the cut copy, you have the layout, you have the new slide section if you want to add a new slide, and then you have other stuff you can be able to play around with on the menu bar here. Looking at the insert menu, you can be inserting table, new slide, pictures, and audio. In case if you want to add music to your PowerPoint, this is where you're going to be adding it from. If you want to add video to your PowerPoint, this is where you're going to be adding it from. Okay, now if you want to create a design or want to add a screenshot of your screen, this is where you're going to be adding it from. If you want to add tables, charts and all that, you're going to be doing that also in insert. Now design, this is talks about already created design and templates that PowerPoint comes with. Okay, but I'm not going to be using them. I'm going to be creating mine by myself. Now this is called transition. Transition talks about how you want slide to transit from one slide to the other, the effects you want them to create so they can be able to capture your audience very well. You're going to be doing that using transition. Then animation. Animation quickly talks about how you want your text and, let's say, object and shapes that are in your work, how you want them to display. You animate them, you make them move. Okay, that's what we're going to be in animation. Then slideshow is when you want to record your slideshow for a presentation. You're going to be doing that on slideshow, where you can play narrations, use timings, show media, begin from beginning, from current slide, and stuff like that. You're going to be doing that. I'm going to be showing you how to use it as well. Then review is just like the word review means. You're trying to go through what you've already done to be able to check where errors are and make your corrections. That's what you're doing on review. Now quick one, I'm going to be creating a small design on this page. I quickly want to design this page so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to be using insert tool and then click on shapes. I'm going to be using my rectangular tool because I just want to draw a rectangle here, and then I'm going to be giving it using on the drawing tool shape field. I'm going to give it color red. Shape outline, I'm going to be giving it no outline for now. Then I'm going to be using a shortcut called duplicate. I want to create another copy of this rectangle. I'm going to be using Ctrl D. You can see that for yourself right there. And I'm going to be in a color shape fill black. Okay, then I want to add like a YouTube picture here, and then some other small pictures and annotations here before I create my text. So I'm going to be going to my folder where I have the YouTube, and then I have the subscribe button, and then we also have the Facebook, and yep, nothing to worry about. I'm just trying to play around. Okay, now Ctrl C was to copy them, then Ctrl V is to paste them on your YouTube. Now everything looks to be stacked together. I'm going to separate them, and then I'm going to resize them. Click from one edge so that everything will come out perfectly well. Okay, do not drag from the middle or from the side. Do not stretch, rather you scale from one side. Okay, take note of that. I'm going to be putting this YouTube here. Then for subscribing to the YouTube channel, I'm going to be putting that somewhere there, and then place the YouTube, I'm going to put it somewhere here, and I can stretch it a little bit. And then the global icon, I'm going to be adding it somewhere here, and then bringing this to, I really do not have any particular design in mind, but I'm only trying to show you how you can play around with stuff. Now I want this to appear in every single page that I'm going to be working on. So what do I need to do? I have to group them as one object so that I can use it as my template. Now, because if you click on a new slide, okay, it comes out plain because you're using a blank document or a blank design. So I don't want that. I want every page to come out with this. So what do I need to do? I need to go ahead, create a new slide, then go back to this slide, click this, hold down your shift key, click, hold down the shift, click, 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 and then come to any of them and then right click and then group them as one object. When you group them as one object, you can be able to move them as one. So I Control C to copy them and then come here and then click on Control V. Okay, has pasted it there. Now let's just quickly create a text here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn softwares at your own comfort. Sorry. Now I want to make this text to be a little bit bold, so I highlight them and then click on B, or I press Control B to make it bold. Then I want to change the style of the font or the text. I'm going to be using Ahoroni, or okay, let me use this Agent FB. Then I can hold Control Shift greater than to increase the text size, or less than to reduce the text size. Then I can click on this and then, you know, let's give it a color red, and then let's make it bold by using Control B. Now this is how you can be able to work with your text. And then go to your next page. You can click this, drag down, click add a text, then how to insert a table. Now this is how to insert a table. I'm going to be showing you that quickly here before I move away from this. Now you click on insert, select table. The system will ask you the number of rows and columns you want to do. You select them, you can see them showing right there immediately as I'm doing that. As soon as I'm done with that, you click, and then you can resize it, you can stretch, you know. You can also come to table tools here and then change the color to suit what you want. So you can click on the down here, there are different designs. You can pick up any one that suits your style and work with it. Now you can decide to add all borders. Okay, there are lots and lots of stuff you can put in your text here. You can say names and sex and phone number. You know, there are lots and lots of stuff that you can do. You can come back here and say mail, and then I can come here and put in my phone number 381663770, and come back here and then add another person and that cool. You know, you can add as many tables as you want, and then you're home and dry. That's as quickly as possible that you can do that. Now I want to go to another slide. I click on a shortcut to go to a new slide is Control M. So I'm going to be using shortcut now. Control M. I'm going to a new slide. Remember, it's also appearing blank. So what do I need to do? I need to just go select my template, Control C, copy them, come back here, then paste it. Then what do I need to do here? I need to add a title to this. So I'm going to say how to insert a picture. Control A and then Control B to make it bold. Then I'm quickly going to go to insert, then select picture, and it will open a dialog box, and then I look for where I have a picture on my work or my system. I'm going to go into my desktop. I'm going to go into my 3D documents. I'm going to come here, and I'm going to come here and then double click to add a picture. Yep, I've added a picture. I can add as many pictures as I want depending on what I want to explain. I can quickly come back here and also use Control D to duplicate this text, and then come here and then resize it, and then I can, you know, try to tell a story about this picture. you know. There are lots and lots of stuff that you can do on here. So you can click on any text, you can duplicate anything and then use it at your own peril, and you know, there are different things you could try out. So the most important thing that we've been able to achieve here is to create a template for yourself, and we've been able to achieve that. So I'm going to be preparing another video whereby I have this template already prepared, and then I'm going to be showing you how to do transitions and then animations and what have you for your presentation. Okay, now you know how to create your own template by yourself. Go ahead and try things out for yourself and then see what you're able to achieve, and then feel free to share and like and comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you very much.